Hello everyone. Create static A, CNAME and PTR records. Today we are going to learn in Activity 2-5 creating static DNS entries. So in this activity we experiment with creating static DNS record using the test zone I already created on the server SA1 for this activity. So now on server SA1 I'll click on tools, then DNS manager. I can see I have DNS manager server SA1. Click on this one, then forward lookup zone. I can see I have test DOM1 local that I already created before in another activities. Now I'm going to use it in this activity as well. So right click on this one, then I can click new host. I'll type web server 1, then I can see on the text name, then I see fully qualified domain name. He gave me web server 1.testdom.1.local. I will give it IP address 192.168.101. So now add host will give me message that successfully created. Okay, then done. After that I can see I already created that one here, web server S1. So now I'm going to minimize it. Click on start button, Windows PowerShell, then I'm going to NS lookup that server to see if I can get the address. So now I'll type the command NS lookup web server 1.test.1.local. Press enter. So now I can see the result. He gave me the server, the address, and DNS name, which is web server 1 that I already created, and that's the address that I put there. If I would like now, if I do NS lookup the address, which is 192.168.1.1.01, so press enter. Now I can see give me message localhost can find 192.168.1 extend domain. So what I'm going to do, minimize this the PowerShell, click on my DNS manager. I'll go to double click on the web server properties, then I'm going to check update associated pointer. Okay, then I can click on refresh, then minimize this one, go back to PowerShell. Now I will type the command one more time, NS lookup 192.168.1.101. Enter. Now it responds to my command, and he gave me the name web server as web server 1.test.domain. That's the name, and that's the address that I put it in an as lookup command. Okay, so now I will create a CNAME resource record using the PowerShell by typing the command add DNS. Then I can hit tab button to complete the command, which is DNS server resources record. Then I can type CNAME space, then I would give it name, www, then the host name alias, I would give him web server, web-server1 dot test. Oh, sorry, I forgot it. The dot test dot local. I will give him the zone file name, which is test.1 dot local. Now I can type printer, then cannot process argument transfer the parameter host name alias, cannot convert the value. Okay, so yes, I mistyped this one. I put this should be dot instead of comma, and now I can click enter. Okay, perfect. So after that I need to type ns lookup, www dot test.1 dot local to see if he will respond to me. Perfect. Now I get the name server as a server1.test domain.local. He gave me the address and he gave me the aliases. That's right here. Okay, so now I will create the PTR record for the new alias by typing the address at dsn at DNS server tab command resource record dash PTR, then dash name, then I would give him 101, then the zone name would be 1.168.192.n.addr, then sorry, there's yes, dot n dash addr dot a rpa, then I would give it name space, sorry, then tr domain name is going to be www dot test.1 dot local. Now I will press enter. Perfect. So now after the command prompt, I will type DNS lookup 192.168.1.101. I will press enter. Now I can see it responds to my command, and he gave me the name server webserver1.test domain.dom1 local, and the address the 192.168.1.101. So since server 1 also has a PTR, I can repeat the command and the other record will be returned. And here we finish the assignment for today, and thank you so much for watching.